Hey everyone, Martin here, your host for the AI show. Unfortunately, Sophie's off on a romantic getaway with her new beau, David the Silicon Valley super robot. Looks like I'm flying solo today. But fret not, because for my birthday I received two incredible drones, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Since the weather's perfect, I thought, why not take the show outdoors and call it the Martin Drone Show for a day? Of course, I'm a licensed drone pilot. I've seen a few videos comparing these drones, and some claim the Mini 3 might even be better for photos. But things those reviews didn't tell. Were they flying them with a whole crew or just one person? And if they were taking aerial photo shooting against each other? Today I'm putting both drones to the test, solo pilot style. Let's see if there's really a functional difference when you fly them yourself.
The sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the aerial stage. Our stars tonight, the Mavic 3 Pro and the Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 3 Pro gracefully circles the Mavic 3 Pro like a dancer twirling around her partner. But wait! The Mini 3 Pro's lens is fixed, no zooming in or out. To capture the grand vista, it must get up close and personal with the Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro faces a challenge, its 360-degree obstacle sensors. Circling the Mini 3 Pro manually with the joystick becomes an art, a delicate waltz between technology and skill. Yet, behold! The Mavic 3 Pro boasts 3 adjustable cameras. It steps back, capturing the scene from afar like a maestro conducting a symphony. And there you have it, 2 drones, 2 styles. Whether you're up close or far away, the sky's the limit. Thank you for joining our show today. Until next time, fly high and keep those propellers spinning.